we received shadow. Take a look at this shape like this. This is cove light, okay. Cove light, ceiling, we open ceiling without artificial light, okay. So absolutely this part here, take a look at this is a typical this part which is dark color. Here's shadow. Shadow, right? Shadow. And also, you just decide overlight. Overlight, the typical coming from this way. This direction, light. Okay, lighting source from this direction. Always like this direction. Little bit of diagonal, little bit of diagonal. Okay. So this side receives the shadow. And also here, roughly, little bit shadow. And this part I do things without shadow, okay. And also this shape, this is front elevation for this side, okay. So we have this shape, okay. But we got this shape, okay. This is typical shadow, typical. So here this part receives the shadow. So this part here is recessed. Take a look at, right? Here's shadow, shadow, and this one, this part, this is a floor plan. Floor plan, absolutely, the chair object received the shadow. Okay. And here you cannot read very well. Yeah, but here you receive the shadow. Okay, so here only this object. Okay, I don't have an object here. So this is why here received shadow. And also so this depend on, okay, depend on if the shadow coming from here, I can make it here slide sometimes a little bit shadow. This part. Okay. Take a look at. Here's this real shadow. Any more question? Okay. And also value. Okay. So value typical. Value. Here, this part, for example, like this part, for this time you can forget. Take a look at this one, lamp. Here we got a table lamp, sconce. Okay, this is just for decoration. Okay, for decoration, it's really difficult if you make the light from this one. Okay, just think about overlight. For this space, overlight, I would see typical this one, typical coming from overlight, coming from center, roughly. Okay, roughly from center. So somebody said, we have a light, maybe the light from here. If you go back, check perspective, I have a light from here. I get a chandelier or pendant light from here. So you have light from here, you have light from here. That's too complex. Try to simplify, okay? Simplify typical this part. This part is the lightest color from center, okay? So from corner, I would say corner, a little bit dark, and corner, typical corner, a little bit dark. Okay, corner, typical, a little bit dark. So here, lightest color, typical. Okay. For the elevation, I give it a typical. For example, I have a good example from this wall, from this wall, which is a good example. From here, you can see we have this light, whatever for future. This could be can light. So this light, for elevation, take like this part or this part, typical lightest color. This part, all this surround here, and here corner typical, little bit dark color, typical corner. Okay, and the top, typical little bit dark color, typical little bit dark top, and the corner a little bit dark. Well, typically this is the lightest color. Okay, and also this one transfer to here, something. I ignore the you can see the decoration for the table lamp, sconce. So overall, yeah, here's shadow, absolutely, and also overall this part, which is light color. Overall, this is light color. Okay, and the corner a little bit dark. That's typical. Corner a little bit dark. Corner a little bit dark for overall. See that? For overall, corner a little bit dark. I use pencil. Dark to light. Dark to light. Here's MC. Here's light color. Here's dark color. Okay, so dark color. So about a medium, make sure in medium you can use you can use a marker or you can use a color pencil. Okay, typical color marker or color pencil, you decide. Okay, so next step, after you go get an overall value, you can consider about the detail, the lampshade, the typical lampshade, surround the lampshade, we can make a little bit light color. Okay, any more questions? Okay, so this is the lightest color. Here's light color. Okay, so typical is corner. Take a look at corner. A bit dark. Brown color may be better. Brown, okay. Typical corner, take a look at a little bit dark. For overall, so this part, for over this part, I've tried to make a light color. Overall, okay. So this one you can use a marker or you can use a pencil to apply. So this is the overall value. Okay. Okay, take a look at. Here's light color, surround, which is dark color, right? Okay. This one something, but only different this time. I'm not 100% follow with this value. Okay. This is without any artificial light. Okay, but this time I plan to add lighting source from here. Okay, I try to add a light from here. I have a light, I can use a neon light, shoot it to ceiling, surround that. Okay, I'm gonna just looking better. So for example, I have one light surround this area. I add a trim. Okay, shoot it to up. Okay.
Is that marker paper?
No, this is copy paper. You can transfer to this paper quality totally not good. Don't use this paper. Okay, so this type of paper, this is a copy paper. Copy paper absorb marker a lot. Okay, absorb. You only can. I do think you only can use the three. You have three choice. color cancel paper, marker paper, or even tracing paper. They don't use this paper. Okay, only this paper just for pencil. Don't apply marker here. So typical like this view. I use one piece of paper here. I just to protect this joint. Okay, because this part I apply the pencil. Don't use your hand to touch that. Okay, it will smear a joint. I try to put it here. I try to protect my joint. Okay, so here. So this is a corner, a little bit dark corner. The overall value, but I'm going to apply here light color eventually. So I apply top, a little bit dark. Okay, a little bit dark. I try to surround. You decided, do you wanna? Okay. I make it surrounded here a little bit dark, and the typical the button a little bit dark also. Okay. So this is case I didn't consider about the detail. Okay, so this time just the value. See, surround that. Here's lightest color, right? Lightest color. Okay, this one Samsung. This is color here. Oh, by the way, be careful here. Okay. That's typical. Next step, I'm going to consider shadow. So this is not shadow. This is just the value. Okay, just value for this one. Okay. So take a here the dark color, here dark color, here lightest color, lightest color. This is the value. Okay. For this value, okay, I make this one surround. Here light color, surround, which is little bit dark color. And this one Samsung, this part lightest color. And I'm going to add the cope light here and the lighting source here, so I keep this here light. Okay, and the next step you can use a sand pencil to add a shadow. Okay, shadow, I said the furniture. This furniture you receive the shadow. The first layer you use a marker. You can consider first the value, base value you can use marker, but the rest part I'm going to add a shadow. You can use soft, you can use a pencil to apply value, okay? And also this is a chair, that's a coffee table. Okay, coffee table. You can make a lighting source coming from this direction, or if you want it from this direction, or even this direction, it doesn't matter. Okay, yeah. Here's dark color, absolutely. Here's dark color also. Yeah, here's all dark color. So right now you can see it stand out, a little bit stand out for furniture. I make a background, a little bit dark value. Okay, so the shadow, you have to keep working shadow. This time, you can apply here. This is door, elevator door. Absolutely, you can make this part. You decide overall light from a little bit this way. I make it here a little bit dark. See, that's recessed, and also top, a little bit dark also. Okay, so now elevator compare another one, you can see difference. Okay, so this one without shadow, so this one with shadow. If you add a shadow, we can see this one. This is recessed. Okay, so now let's see. We get a shadow. Okay, here's second shadow. Another a door. Okay, door. And also the value, take a look at here. This elevator door and this part, this is different level. See, different level. If you transfer to here, you can see. So this level and this level is different. Okay. So here different level. So typical, you can make a even same. I just talk about value. Even the same material, you can make this part slide darker. See, you don't have to make the strong shadow. You just very soft. Just make the corner. You can see a little bit dark. See, right now we can see different levels, right? You can make different level, and also this part is different level. Okay, and this part I want to receive the light. This part without light. Okay, this is because take a look at. So this part, which is the elevator, this is just the hallway area. I'm not received the light. Okay. Okay, so this part I can make a slide a little bit darker. And here, dark value. Okay, so right now you can read it's this part which is recessed, right? And also the value here, dark color, more details. Okay. Okay, so this one, and also this part, take a look at this. I don't have a furniture here. This part, which is here, this part here, different level. Still, here, different level. So take a look at this. Okay, here, different level. So this is reflected to here, so I still make a slide different. Okay, so I can make a slide here, maybe dark. And this part, take a look at. This part, here recessed, I can receive the little shadow. I received the little shadow. So take a look at this part. I make a little shadow. If I make a little bit shadow soft, take a look at. Now we can read. Here's recessed. This shape. Okay, yeah. So this part, and also for technical, this part. Take a look at. This is a chandelier or pendant light. Okay, so either way you can show like this. You can show this light, or you can show dash light. Either way. Okay. If we got a pendant light chandelier, if you can show that. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so either way it's fine. Okay, so this one is value. Okay, value. And overall value, this one, we get an overall value. I want to receive the light from here. Corner a little bit dark, this part a little bit dark. And the most important, this one, we can make a shadow. Okay, shadow. Shadow, I can use a black. I think it's black color shadow. shadow. Take a look at this time. This part. I can receive the shadow. Okay, so this one, I want to receive the shadow from here. Take a look at. And this part, receive the shadow. And the couch, receive the shadow also. Shadow. And the chair, not chair, the table, and the table. Okay, then I'm gonna add a shadow. Take a look at shadow. We see the shadow. We see the shadow. Here. Shadow received from the wall. See? In this part, receive the shadow arm. Here, receive the shadow also. This part. Okay, and also underneath, you receive the shadow. This is the baseboard area, or not baseboard, just underneath for the couch. Absolutely here shadow. See that? This one we receive the shadow. See that? Shadow, shadow, and a shadow. Okay, and this part, this is a light. Okay, so this actually scares the shadow also. This corner. Okay, corner of the shadow. I can blend it with brown color. Blend the brown, and also blend the brown color. And make sure that this one, and also typical underneath for the picture. I see the shadow, the frame. Okay, frame. Here, frame. Okay, take a look at. Receive the shadow. And also surround object, surround the lampshade, surround the lampshade. This is white paper. White paper, I'm going to make a little bit dark, little bit brown color. Surround the lampshade. So right now we can read here is bright, okay. So the lampshade. Okay, here, lampshade. Okay. So you can see if you okay, create a light typical interior space like this type of space typical which is a warm temperature. Okay, warm temperature. Okay, if you want cool color, that's different. Typical cool warm temperature we can use this paper. You don't have to apply white. White apply here is nothing. Okay, so here is the efficiency. So typically you can use yellow. You can use yellow and beige. But if you use color cancel paper, you can use white. Or tracing paper, you can use white pencil. Apply for gray background. But this is white pencil. White paper is not efficiency. If you apply white pencil, okay. So this one you can apply the yellow. Take a yellow. Take a yellow color. Little warm temperature. Yellow.
and also here's yellow. I keep white, yellow, warm temperature. Okay, see, that's, we can read the warm temperature, yellow. Even the top is the light received, I still apply yellow. Okay, even the light, I can create an atmosphere, maybe yellow temperature. Then I can apply beige. This is beige. Beige surrounding yellow. Beige. Beige color. Okay, then deep yellow.
Okay, so now you can see the, so this just give you idea. So anyway, you can consider color you choose, then the light light received, I use yellow and beige color. Anyway, if you use a color cancel paper, you can use white pencil. You can use white, but this white is not working. Okay, white applies for white paper is nothing. Okay,